honorable guest for today, Mr. Suraj Verma, and I'd like to briefly introduce him to all of you. He is a senior accountant with extensive experience in corporate tax analysis and accounts payable, specializing in sales and tax returns, personal property tax renditions, business license registrations, demonstrates proficiency in SAP, Ariba, SAP, Workday Finance, Salesforce, Blackline to ensure accuracy tax reporting and compliance. Accurate. He has extensive experience. He is currently working as senior accountant in Deltek Replicon Software India Private Limited. Deltek Replicon is a software as a service company that provides AI-powered time and resource management solutions for business globally. Prior to that, he had worked for Chronos Solutions India Private Limited. UKG is an American multinational technology company with dual headquarters in Massachusetts and Western Florida. It provides workforce management and human resource management services. He has, among his skills are in Alteryx, Smartsheet, Checkpoint, Blackline, Avatex, Python, OneSource, CostPoint, SAP He has been awarded with the Silver Award, accomplishing property tax and streamlining process by creating roadmap for activity. He is a Gibbs Extraordinary Scholar for the year 23-24. He is also a motivational and corporate speaker and has delivered impactful sessions on career planning, etiquette for students and professionals. So it's a matter of privilege for us that he will be addressing all of you today. So I'd like to invite Shruti ma'am to kindly welcome him with the sapling. I would now like to welcome Mr. Suraj Verma, and I would like to invite you to start your discussion on marketing analytics. Sir.
Which one? Sorry? Louder. Perfect. Gemini. Yes? Please. ChatGPT. Any other? Sorry? Claude AI. Okay. Have you ever checked the DeepSeek? Can you just raise your hand? Anyone use DeepSeek? Okay. Heard about DeepSeek? It is related to? Again, it's related to AI. So DeepSeek basically origin of China. It have the data, but it do not have the data of China. So that means you have everything, but you don't have the origin. कि वो data कितना valid है, right? Now come to the slides. A single click, a million, right? अभी big billion चली रहा है. Right now, right? So you just click, you're just making a payment, and there will be a transaction, a multiple transaction. Now going to back, how it's happening and why it's like related to us, related to marketing. You can just change the slide. So first company, Netflix. Have you heard about Netflix? Yes. Right? How it's work? How it's work? They work on the basis of your, scrolling and preference and which movie or series you like your habits, based on your habit. But still Netflix is on top. How? We have Amazon Prime, we have Z, Sony, and there are lots of OTT platforms right now in the market. But Netflix still on our top. Why? First, they have the database. They have good database. Although all the company have the database, but you can say a very good so they have the advantage because they study the algorithm to know their customer first, to understand what customer wants. So for example, if you just click on action movie, that doesn't make Netflix give you action movie again. It analyzes like AI right now doing. So we are saying that we get the AI in 2024. No, Netflix already generated. How? They make their own algorithm to get their customer exactly what customer wants. So if you are seeing the series, movie, this all depend on your preference, your habit, how you are seeing that movies. So for example, if you are mostly viewing the action movie, then definitely you get the action movie, but not getting the other language movie. So for example, if you are mostly seeing the English movie, you will get the notification of English, not getting the other, right? So based on customer database, because they have the advantage, they have the algorithm which other company do not have. Right now, other company also building the database, but not able to match it because they have the 150 plus countries in their system. They know their each and single customer, how they are performing. They are performing on their website, which online content they are consuming more. On the basis of their data, they are giving you your preference movies and series. This is the one. Now going to the next slide. Reliance Jio. So do you know when Jio is launched? Anyone know? Jio? No one know? Jio कब launch हुआ था? किसी को कोई idea नहीं? 2016. Before that, how many telecom were there? Any idea? People are doing Google, using Google and ChatGPT.
4
कितनी companies थी? 4. Before Jio. 4 telecom थी. Are you sure? Okay. Have you heard about Aircel?
Yes.
Okay, एक company. Reliance?
Yes.
2. BSNL?
Yes.
MTNL? Tata? Uninor किसी ने नहीं. Uninor. And other Vodafone, Idea, Airtel, Dolphin, MTN. Exactly. Any other? और भी companies थी. So before Jio, there were 12 companies. Right now, how many companies left? कितनी company है?
3.
कौन सी थी?
Vodafone, Airtel, और Jio.
देखो शाम को. So Vodafone and Idea merged, make one company, Airtel, and then we have Jio, and we also have BSNL. MTNL already discontinued, but we have 4 companies, right? Why it happened? बाकी कंपनी क्यों डूब गई, क्यों बंद हो गई? Any idea?
उनकी marketing.
Sorry?
Not evolving.
Marketing fail.
Not evolving.
Not evolving. Why?
Dynamic environment में.
Dynamic environment. Others. Why you are lazy? Sorry.
Others were not competitive enough.
Okay. Good.
Jio took over.
Jio took over. Which company?
Not not took over the company, but took over the market with cheap SIMs and all.
So let me clear one thing. Airtel right now taking the towers from BSNL. So they are renting out the towers. But Jio have their own towers. First thing. Why Ambani need to make a separate company Jio? They already have the setup Reliance. तो क्यों नहीं करा? क्या रीजन हो सकता है?
Introduction of
Sorry?
introduce
Introduce करना regarding what? They have already lots of companies. Why they are building a new company?
a sole company for a
Sir,
telecom.
maybe he wanted to hold the market.
Sorry?
Maybe he wanted to hold the market.
Hold on. So first reason, let me keep. First reason, because there were two brothers, even though they are still brothers, so they are separated first, right? So Reliance anyhow, Anil Ambani को मिल गया. But at the same time, he knew market is very huge. And in India, right now, no one is competing regarding 4G because that time 2G and 3G is circulating. But they know, they have the vision, their family and their other members, they have the vision that a 4G, 5G is like a future thing and it will be impacted. So they introduced Jio, they set up almost 50,000, they invested 50,000 crore in Jio. And do you know, first year, they give free SIM, free plan. Why? Someone if invested 50,000
Just for
crore,
customer satisfaction.
right?
Capture the market more easily.
Market capture,
Customers की need
customer need,
accessible to everyone.
okay. Third, why? Do you think this is the reason कि customer acquire करने हैं या फिर customer satisfy करना है,
To reach
आदत
customers.
लगवानी.
आदत लगवानी है? Do you think this is the reason? I think आपको पता है आपको. So he wanted to destroy the market. How? He know there are very, you can say small businesses, telecom, like Uninor. आपने सुना नहीं, but वो exist करता है, exist, right? BSNL already, facing the issue with their खुद के network से. Although they have the feasibility, they have the capability to, boost their network, but they mostly prefer to rent out. Right? They know the condition of market. So first, he destroy the market to eliminate those, competitors who can maybe in future make a challenge for, right? So first, he destroyed 8 companies, even Idea, Vodafone. They merged. Do you know why they merged? Because they are not able to, survive in the market. They merged to survive in the market. Right now, 58% market, captured by Jio. And Jio already have other brands as well. They have retail, they have oil, they have other, utility and energy. So they have the other market as well. Why they invested in Jio only 15,000 crore? And why they think that it will be a future? Any idea? Okay. Anyone heard about satellite internet? You heard? कहाँ पे सुना, कैसे सुना? Online. Okay. So कौन provide कर रहा है? Who will be the provider? Elon Musk. So Elon Musk introduced the satellite internet. This is beyond 6G. Right now it is existing in India also. So 6G India, that satellite internet India may be here. But right now mine is not, disturbed with that. The reason. First, about the setup. Second, before Dish TV आई थी भी बहुत टाइम पहले और इंटरनेट भी था, वो केबल भी था. Mostly people are preferring to get the cable internet. Cable thing. They are not used to with that Dish TV. Reason, it depends on the weather condition. So right now, almost a year, satellite internet India में आ चुका है, but लोग नहीं करते. First, their cost. Second, the reliability, because वो वेदर की कंडीशन में उतना अच्छा वर्क नहीं करता, राइट? Although it's working through the satellite, but again weather is there, right? So 60 पे he is now going to move. He know the market, he know the data, he know everything right now. Because it's built at 60. Right now other competitor, but they are doing Airtel, Idea, Idea and Vodafone and BSNL. They are trying to build right now 5G, like the 5G, exact 5G. But they have the market strategy. Jio have the market strategy. They know the customer. They are now pulling the customer from their existing telecom provider, from Airtel or Voda to Jio. How? They are offering a free SIM. They are offering free plan. Right? They are pricing. They are trying always to reduce their price to their competitor, because they know if market is disturbed, if other competitor exists from the current market, he only the one who will be the leader. No one in the market. तो price कितना भी कर लेगा लोगों को देना पड़ेगा, because right now we are doing free में मिली थी SIM, but right now we are paying and we are happy to pay. No one right now complaining कि इतना क्यों देना पड़ेगा, because they know Airtel ज़्यादा charge कर रहा है, they know Vodafone ना charge कर. So Jio have the market data, Jio have the किसी एक मैम ने भी बोला था कि एक आदत डाल दी है. So before 2016, 1 GB डेली का बनता था, right? और पूरे not daily, पूरे मंथ चलाना था. So we used to plan accordingly to get 1 GB data, and we can plan accordingly कि हम पूरे महीना चला सकें. And of course, I'm assuming कि आपके किसी के पेरेंट्स उतना इंटरनेट नहीं चलाते हैं उस टाइम पे. But right now everyone on internet. Everyone using it, right? Somehow marketing strategy also changed. So previously, how they marketize their plans, how they are how they marketing, how they boost their brand through the TV advertisement, through the pamphlet, through the other source of method. But right now what we are seeing like Insta, YouTube. You're seeing that there are lots of influencers who just for a one-time fee, they are marketing the whole thing. They are boosting the whole their their brand. Right. This is the story of Jio. Can you please change? Paytm. I guess very well-known brand, Paytm. Right now, I guess everyone using GPay and PhonePe. Anyone using still Paytm? Anyone? You're still using Paytm. Wallet or banking?
Banking.
Why not wallet? Paisa. So in 2023, Paytm stopped that wallet. They introduced the banking system. And you know what, when Paytm founded in 2010, it's boomed on 2016 when digitalization happened, demonetization happened, right? Jio launch हुआ, नोट बंद हुए, mostly लोगों को शिफ्ट होना पड़ा ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग. सो किसी को याद है 2016 से पहले इनके पेरेंट्स कैसे ट्रांजैक्शन करते थे? कैश. सबके कैश ही करते होंगे, इवन उस टाइम पे तुम भी कैश ही करते होंगे, राइट? अब क्या करें? हाउ दे आर डूइंग? ऑनलाइन. सब्जी वाला ऑनलाइन. How Paytm used that digitalization and demonetization, like literally. So they collab with the government. Although उस टाइम पे और भी वेबसाइट, और भी प्लेटफॉर्म थे, like Beam, right? Beam was there that time, even still there, but not too much, familiar. और भी apps थी. किसी ने चार्ज फ्री सुने? चार्ज फ्री.
Extra deduction electricity payment.
Okay. Charge free. Movie Quick. So these two are a platform, payment gateway. That time they are dominating Paytm. back in 2016. But Paytm, take the initiative. They just know, everyone know कि corporate को थोड़ा बहुत पता चल जाता है कि क्या होने वाला है. So when he know, वो छोटी सी स्पीकर मशीन देखी है? स्पीकर मशीन देखी है? वो पहले नहीं आती थी मार्केट में, वो पहले नहीं आती. So he know कि कस्टमर तो जाएंगे ही जाएंगे. Individual definitely going to use that Paytm method. Paytm definitely going to use customer definitely going to use that Paytm method, paying through that application. But how he can, motivate to the receiver. जो सब्जी वाला बहुत easily ले रहा है, दुकान वाले बहुत easily ले रहे हैं. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. Mostly 2016, 17, 18 में 2016, 17, 18 में जितने भी receiver थे, mostly they are denied. They are denied to take the online payment. They are always asked for cash. But he introduced that Paytm machine, that speaker. Yes. वो बहुत easy हो गया, बहुत easy to use भी था कि आपको बस मशीन रखनी है दुकान पे. किसी को भी आना है वो बस स्कैन करेगा, पे कर देगा, चला जाएगा. You will get your money. और वो बहुत safe method है because you will get the notification. और उसके लिए आपको ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कुछ वो आनी चाहिए अलग-अलग टेक्निक्स. It's like हिंदी में मिलेगा, इंग्लिश में मिलेगा, कोई दूसरी इवन साउथ में भी है वो लैंग्वेज, सारी लैंग्वेज में मिलेगा. तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You will get your money. So he introduced that speaker. For that company उस टाइम पे 600 करोड़ भी नहीं कमा रही in 2016. In 3 years, in just 3 years, they convert that 600 crore into 6,000 crore. And then, when they know the market, they know the market size. Like future में तो यही होना है. Everyone going to make the payment through UPI. So what they do? They try to expand their self. Right? How they expand? They are sorry.
Paytm bank courier.
नहीं. So वो एक अलग थिंग थी. वो तो सभी कर रहे थे because regulatory नहीं थी वहाँ पर. गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ बताया नहीं था. So what he did, he collabed with the Chinese bank and Chinese investor. So they, why they, interested in that investment? Because they know the Jio marketing strategy. Jio ने क्या कहा? पहले इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करा, बहुत बड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कि कोई सर्वाइव ना कर सके मार्केट. You have the data, you know the market, you know how to take care, how to lead that market. So उन्होंने भी same situation करा. They introduced the IPO. Anyone know the IPO? anyone know? BBA final year, right? IPO.
Sir, initial public offering.
But that means
जब कंपनी फर्स्ट टाइम अपने शेयर लॉन्च करती है.
थोड़ा सा मतलब यहाँ तक नहीं आ रही. राइट. जब कंपनी फर्स्ट टाइम मार्केट में इंट्रोड्यूस होती है, दे ऑफर शेयर. इट इज इक्विटी शेयर और प्रेफरेंस शेयर. प्रेफरेंस नहीं हो सकता.
डिसीजन मेकिंग में वो काम नहीं करते.
सॉरी,
डिसीजन मेकिंग में वो काम नहीं करते.
प्रेफरेंस शेयर.
चाहे आप शेयर होल्डर्स हो.
No, I'm asking in first attempt, company can issue preference share or
No.
no? Okay. सभी एग्री करते हैं इससे? That's your homework. मैं देख रहा हूँ काफी लोग गूगल भी कर रहे हैं. Okay, it's fine. So let's come to the topic. So Paytm also know the market condition, they want to expand. So they interested in Chinese investor. They take the money from them and they launch their IPO. What happened जब IPO launch हुआ?
There was hype in share market.
Sorry?
Hype.
हाँ, बहुत hype थी. They disturb the market. So the competitor GPay, PhonePe and Beam and other UPI platform बहुत ज़्यादा वो नर्वस थे उससे. बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर देता मार्केट. बहुत, वो अपने जो एक्चुअल फेस वैल्यू थी उससे 10 टाइम्स ऊपर पे बिक रहा था और स्टिल चांस नहीं थे कि मिलेगी। बट एक चीज जो एनालाइज नहीं, पेटीएम के पास डेटा था, पेटीएम के पास डेटा कस्टमर का था, दे नो द मार्केट, दे नो द कंडीशन, बट दे डोंट हैव द आइडिया ऑफ जियो पॉलिटिक्स व्हिच रिलायंस हैड। रिलायंस के पास तो था बट पेटीएम के पास नहीं। So what happened? Government banned Chinese products, Chinese applications. At the same time, also banned FDIs, foreign direct investments. What happened? पेटीएम की शेयर जो क्लोज हो रही थी, ऑलमोस्ट बिक गए थे, सॉल्ड आउट थे, क्रैश कर, इतनी बुरी तरीके से क्रैश करे कि वो 20% पे भी सेल नहीं हो रही। कंपनी की वर्थ जो कि उस समय 7,000 करोड़ से अबव थी और आईपीओ लॉन्च होने के बाद ये माना जाता है कि 20,000 रीच कर देगा बहुत इजीली। कंपनी की वैल्यू डाउन हो गई, 4,000 2,000 करोड़ पे आ गई और वो अटकी क्यों? बिकॉज उन्होंने फोर्सफुली क्लोज कराया, मार्केट बंद कराया, शेयर को वापस लिया, बिकॉज कंडीशन बहुत खराब। सो व्हेन यू हैव अ डेटा डजंट मीन यू हैव एवरीथिंग, you need to show कि इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या क्या हो सकता है। So that one data which they didn't have, उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ कि गवर्नमेंट ने पॉलिसी चेंज करी और ये हुआ। अगर एफडीआई ना लेके फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट ना होके अगर वही नॉर्मल इन्वेस्टमेंट होती, इंडियन इन्वेस्टमेंट, तो इस समय पेटीएम भी लीड कर रहा है, राइट? लाइक जियो ने भी अपनी खुद की फंडिंग करी प्राइवेट, एंड दे आल्सो टुक इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रॉम गल्फ कंट्रीज। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि जियो ने पूरे पैसे खुद ही लगाए, they took the funding from Gulf countries and they know the geopolitics कि Gulf countries के साथ अभी one on one हुआ नहीं है, but पेटीएम ने ये नहीं सोचा और इसके वजह से ये बहुत बड़ा है। Otherwise they were doing very well there, बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट होता, ग्रोथ जो थी ट्वाइस थी, 2x में ग्रोथ हो रही थी। So first year अगर they are closing at 1,000 करोड़, next year they are closing 2,000, इतने अच्छे से वो ग्रोथ कर रहे हैं। Zomato, I guess Zomato and Swiggy सब यूज कर, right? Anyone know when it is founded? I know I am asking too many questions, but it should be a interactive, right? Boring नहीं होना चाहिए। Otherwise मेरे पास बहुत सारे थे एग्जाम्पल और केस स्टडी, यूएस पैसिफिक, कनाडा के भी थे, कुछ गिने चुने यूरोप के, but वो related नहीं। So let me ask about the Apple. कितने लोगों के पास अभी iPhone है? Can you just raise your hand? iPhone वाले कितने हैं? I thought market change हो गया है। इंडिया में वो देखा नहीं है, लाइन लगी होती लंबी लंबी, सो रहे होते हैं 2 बजे से, लाख रुपए लेके खड़ा होता है, मेरे को फोन चाहिए। So छोटा सा एक आइस ब्रेकिंग बताता हूँ एप्पल के बारे में। सो एप्पल, व्हाई एप्पल इट्स लाइक वेरी फेमस, नॉट स्पेसिफिकली इन यूएस एंड ग्लोबल बट also in India level also, it's very famous. Why people are very crazy to get the iPhone in first year? Why? Any reason?
Status.
Status because तो 2 दिन बाद ही आ जाएगा status.
Status symbol it represent.
Okay, status one. ठीक, okay. Second, only status.
Security.
Security board. Second point.
Classy.
Again, okay, free design.
Brand value.
Brand value. Technology good. मार्केटिंग के स्टूडेंट्स हो क्या? मार्केटिंग के स्टूडेंट हो तो मार्केटिंग के बारे में बताओ ना, मार्केटिंग क्यों हो सकता है, किस लिए लोग क्रेजी हैं उस फॉर्म के लिए?
उसकी जो सॉफ्टवेयर आते हैं,
यूजर एक्सपीरियंस, दिस द वन थिंग, सेकेंडरी थिंग। सो कभी भी कोई भी फोन लेते हो ये सोच के लेते हो कि सिक्योर है। For iPhone built their own ecosystem. So अगर Apple Watch है, MacBook है, Tab connectivity, and if someone has question, mainly for case study, you can mail me on my Gmail account. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to thank Mr. Suraj Verma for the wonderful lecture. And the students also listened to it very intently. And I'm sure the students have gained a lot from your experience and expertise. Now I'd like to invite Dr. Shruti Gupta to kindly felicitate Mr. Suraj Verma with a memento.